Most people think of car maintenance as something that you do to avoid costly breakdowns. However, what if I told you it's one of the easiest ways to earn thousands when you go to resell your car? So when it comes to reselling your car, a lot of people have heard of Kelley Blue Book. That is one option that people use. When you use Kelley Blue Book to value your car, it will have different descriptions on who you're selling it to. And that's really where some of the car maintenance and fixes come into play. The majority of the time, people will either trade in at a dealer or they'll sell to a private party. There's pros and cons to both. Now, when you sell to a dealership, they're going to be looking to resell it. When you sell to a private party, they're not looking to resell it, they're looking to have it as their personal vehicle. Very simple concept. However, the private party you often can get a lot more money for. And the reason being is they're looking at car maintenance records. They're looking at how you kept the car. They have a personal interest in how you took care of the car, aside from just the tires and brakes and that it rolls down the road and stops. When trading in at a dealership, they look at a lot more tangible things. So they're going to be looking at lights on the dash, tires, brakes, exterior, interior vehicle. They do look at the history of the vehicle, whether they can get that online or if you provide that, and that goes a long way with them. When it comes to private party and you're selling to someone that's then going to be driving your vehicle, a lot of times it's like when you're selling a house. It's not as big of an asset. However, they're looking at a lot of small little things to see how you took care of the house, just like your vehicle. Now, regardless of whether it's private party or trading into the dealership, neither one of them want to have expensive repairs when they take on that vehicle. Brakes, that's something that a lot of times can be costly. Tires can be costly as well. Other major services, so if you're coming up on that 100,000 mile service or 60,000 mile service, a lot of times dealership or private party wouldn't want to take that on. Looking at history, so if someone is going 10, 15,000 miles on an oil change, missing oil changes, that can be a huge red flag to not only a private party, but also to a dealership. Engines are becoming more and more costly to repair and to replace. So if there's gonna be some signs that maybe this engine could have some issues down the road, it's a very costly repair for a dealership to have to back with a warranty.
Your vehicle is an investment that could be significantly impacted by neglecting these tips over time.
These are some quick tips that will help you maximize the resale value of your vehicle. But remember, the consistency and timeliness of the maintenance is a value that pays off when you go to sell your vehicle. If you found this information helpful, comment resale below and we'll send you a downloadable pre-sale checklist, absolutely free, and that will help you maximize the value of your vehicle.